Hello world, I'm Colleen and welcome to my glamorous life. If you don't know who I am, I'm an almost 50-year-old mom of 3 teenagers here to give you helpful tips, tricks, and honest reviews. If that sounds like something you're into, do me a favor, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon for notifications. So today is the last of my Thanksgiving holiday looks. It's Black Friday, so we're doing smoky black eyes with a nice bright red lipstick to let those other shoppers know you mean business. All right, so let's get to it. So we're gonna start with a black gel eyeliner. This happens to be my Douce. And we're going to line our eyes. Once you have the liner on, you want to take a nice stiff flat brush and you're going to smudge that out and create your wing. If you need to, add a little more liner where you think you want to put a little more shadow. Over the top of this, I'm going to take a rounded flat brush here and my Illuminati ISA palette and the color Soul. And we're going to go over that. I'm kind of doing a little double flick look today, I think. Yeah, I kind of like that. That's cute. Okay, now I'm going to take that Soul just underneath my lower lashes, just ever so slightly here. And I'm not putting the eyeliner down there because it tends to move a little bit. The shadow is just going to work much better here. Okay. Now over the top of that Soul, I have Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow in the color Jackpot. And this looks very bronzy. It actually has like a bronzy black shadow with a gold reflex. So I'm going to take this on my finger and just pop that onto the brow, pop that onto the eye. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to take fluffy brush and do a little blendy blend. So now we have this nice little dark kind of smoky eye with that little double flick coming off at the end. That's going to sit right behind our eyeshadow, right behind our eyelashes, excuse me. And that's going to sit right behind our eyelashes and just give them that little extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna clean up right here, make that nice and sharp, and I'll come back and show you the finished look. Okay, so I've popped on some lashes so you can see that little double wing kind of hides right behind it. My eyes don't look like I've been punched in the eye or anything, but I have a nice dark smoky eye on for the day, and it just kind of makes everything pop. Paired it with a metallic kind of ombre-ish red lip just to let everybody know I mean business today. We're going to be doing about one look a week for the rest of the season because I've got Christmas shopping to do and Christmas decorating to do and baking. Speaking of which, if you didn't catch the Glamorous Life Kitchen, we've got a two-part episode of how to make pumpkin pie completely from scratch. And shortly we will be sharing one of my family's favorite recipes, our sugar cookie recipe. So keep your eyes open for that Glamorous Life Kitchen and keep your eyes open for the next holiday look. Ta-ta!